Lesson 5, Transport and Communication. We can travel from one corner of the country to another in a few hours. We can communicate with people living thousands of kilometers away in seconds. All these have been made possible by modern means of transport and communication. Transport. Early humans traveled on foot, then they invented the wheel and started making carts. These were pulled by animals. However, these were slow modes of transport. Today, there are fast modes of transport which can cover longer distance in very less time. India has well-developed network of transport, roadways. A country has a large network of roads. The roads are either metalled or unmetalled. Most of the roads in the cities and towns are metalled. They are made of stone, cement and tar. Unmetalled roads are generally found in villages. The most important roads in India are the national highways and state highways. The national highways connect the state capitals and other big cities and towns. The state highways connects cities, towns and within a state with the national highways. Railways. Railways are the lifetime of our country. They connect all parts of India. At the time of independence, trains were run by steam engine. They were replaced by diesel and electric engines. This increased the speed of trains. Nowadays, trains such as Rajdhani Express and Shatabdi Express travel at a speed of 120 to 130 kilometers per hour. In some cities, there are metro trains. These trains move on elevated or underground tracks. Mumbai has well-connected network of local trains. Waterways. Water transport is the cheapest mode of transport and most suitable transporting heavy goods. Passenger ships carry people, cargo ships transport goods, tanker ships carry petroleum and oil. Along India's coastline, there are 13 major and nearly 200 minor ports. The Deen Dayal Port, Gujarat and the Pradip Port, Odisha handle a large quantity of cargo. Airways. Aeroplanes are the fastest mode of transport. Major cities and towns of India are connected by airways. Aeroplanes transport people and goods, especially perishable goods such as fruits, flowers and vegetables, to far-off places. Some aeroplanes also carry mail. Both government and private airlines operate in our country. Helicopters are used in areas that are difficult to reach. They are used to drop food, medicines, and rescue people during natural disaster. Communication. Sending and receiving messages called communication. Long ago, message took too many days or weeks to reach. Today, they reach in seconds. Postal service. India's postal service is called India Post. It is the largest network in the world. People go to a post office to buy stamps, inland letters, postcards, and stamped envelope. Letters and parcels are either sent through ordinary post or through a faster service called speed post. Telephone. We can talk to people in any part of the world over the telephone. Landline phones, however, are no longer popular. They have been replaced by mobile phones, smartphones. All are in one devices with which we can do many things. Fax. A written document can be sent through a fax machine. It takes only few seconds to reach. The fax machine is connected to a telephone line. Internet and email. We can sit at home and access any website and get information on any topic through internet. Email or electronic mail sent through internet has been made has been made communication faster and cheaper. Nowadays, many people access internet on their smartphones. They also exchange message through apps and social networking sites. Radio. A program on radio reaches all corners of India. It is useful even to those people who cannot read and write. The All India Radio broadcasts news, educational programs in Hindi, English, and in many regional languages. Private FM channels also broadcast programs for people. Television. Television performs the same task as radio but also shows picture. Sitting at home, you can watch what is happening in other parts of our country and elsewhere in the world. Today, there are many television channels in India. Cinema. Movies are made in many languages. They educate people as well as entertain. They also spread social messages. Newspaper and magazine. A large number of newspapers and magazines are published in India. They carry news and information about events from all parts of the world. Some people read e-newspapers on their tablets and smartphones.